Hey, what is up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki J, and today we are going to be playing with these polygels from PinPia or PinPia. I'm so excited. I've had these polygels for a year, so let's get right into it. They are thermal changing polygels. For some reason lately on my channel, I've been having a thing with thermal changing. But these are the swatches. It's 5 different colors, and I had this, like I said, for about a year, and they actually were not all clogged up or sticky or anything. So I'm just going to show you the swatches, and then we're going to get into the application. All right, and this is what we're looking like. So I am going to go ahead and use the last 2 colors there, number 4 and 5. I pointed at the middle ones. I thought I was going to pull that one, but I said, nah, let's do 5. Here I am going ahead and just placing alcohol into my little damping dish, and I'm going to go ahead and get right into application. I had a very fun time, an easy time, yes, using this product. It was just, very smooth for me. It's been a minute since I've used polygel, but I do enjoy the process of being able to, control the product, just as long as you know how to work with just the tap and a slight pull, tap and slight pull motion. That's just all you need, girl, and you'll be good to go. It's odorless and all of that good stuff. So yeah, I really love this coating as well. I just had to do one coat. I did a layer. I didn't have to go in with another one. It came out very pigmented. And actually, when I pulled it out of the lamp, it was like some type of, white color around it because it's thermal changing. So it did change colors once it hit the UV lamp. But this is me just smoothing it out, getting it as flat as I could, trying to get rid of some of those lumps and spreading that product out. And yeah. All right, and moving right along, this is color number 5. I'm gonna go ahead and just start same old motion, girl. Patting, slightly pulling. Try not to get impatient because you will have bubbles and holes, which I think I still did have some bubbles here and there. But I was able to try to tap it out or cover it up with some charms, honey. You know how we do. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you see the rest of my application. Alright, so this is what that first nail was looking like. I was just excited about it. But I'm going to use colors 1 and 2. I'm going to try to do like a marble. And this is what the second nail looks like. I don't quite know what's going on there. But I'm going to try to do a marble here on this nail. This is the middle finger. I saw Vanity Val do this. I love you, girl. If you just so happen to maybe stumble upon my video, hey, boo. But yeah, I saw her do this on one of her sets with the polygel and doing like a marble. Don't judge me. It didn't come out too great, but we're gonna see, what this looks like after application. All right, yes, as you can see, this is very, very smooth. just lightly tapping and pulling. Do not get impatient. But I love this color though. This is a really, really pretty color. And I love what I actually ended up doing with this set. It's very random. I'm not sure about the rhinestone placement, but whatever. It was cute. So yeah, this is just me finishing up the fourth nail, and then we're gonna jump right into the pinky. And this came out white. I enjoyed that. I said I am doing a whole set with just that one color. And I wanted to make sure I wasn't tripping. So I put my lamp back over them. And I'm like, okay, because these two nails are the same. So why isn't this one turning as white? But I think it's because I added a thicker coating on the pinky. So it just came out because it came out white before. So it just came out a little bit more pigmented. That's what it was. But here I am going to go ahead and go into the shaping and filing. And then I'm going to buff. And then we're going to do our rhinestones. Well, no, we're going to buff. And then we're going to do our top coat. And then we're going to do our rhinestones. Okay, y'all, I don't know what I'm talking about. We're going to use these two colors for model ones, and we're going to do our nail art first. So I'm going to go ahead and use just a glossy top coat on the pinky, the middle finger, I believe, and the point. Yep. So we're going to go ahead and just use glossy, and then those two peach colored nails, I'm going to do a matte top coat, and then we're going to jump into the nail art. And I was going to use this Beetles top coat, but it seemed to be like contaminated with something. It was like whitish color. I'm not sure if that's just probably what matte top coat looks like for them. But then I jumped into my Model 1's matte top coat. So we're going to use that. And I love how these came out. It was just different shades of white. So I was like, I'm definitely using this polish gel again. I love them. The matte, it was just everything about it. I'm going to do a full matte set, full glossy set. But anywho, I was just sitting here talking to myself, but you can see my finger moving back and forth. But I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the nail art. I'm kind of only comfortable with like that 90s style look because I'm from the 90s. And I love, you know, that style with just the lines and the dots. So that's what I went for with this set. It was safe, okay? You always want to play it safe. But I am going to try to get more into my nail art and just be more creative and learn how to draw things or characters and stuff like that. But we'll get into all that. So I decided to go right here and at least try and do like some little hearts And once some of the hearts didn't really come out like how I wanted it, I went ahead and just started putting dots because I was like, why not just polka dot it out? Okay, let's just do some polka dots. So that's what you're going to see me do here in a moment. I just kind of winged it, you know what I'm saying? I didn't want to put too much pressure on myself. I said that in my last video. Don't do that because then you're going to hate it. So that's what I did. And yeah, I'm just going to let you enjoy or watch this part. All right, and I'm using my Macart rhinestone glue to get my rhinestones or charms to stick or go on. But yeah, y'all, we are actually coming to the end of the video. If you enjoyed my video, please like it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know whether you like polygel or whether you like acrylic. I personally love acrylic more, but if polygel was like something that was the last thing on earth, it wouldn't kill me. You know what I'm saying? I'd love to use it. So yeah, but thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe. That's all I can ask. But you have a great rest of your day. And until next time, ladies.